Hello! Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to create these two camera shutter symbols. Let's open a new document. Change the fill to none and leave the stroke black. Select the pen tool and draw a short slanted line. Let's open the stroke panel and increase its weight. This will be the size of the gap between the blades. Next, go to Object, Repeat and choose Radial. Now click on this widget and move it down to decrease the radius until all lines are touching and forming an octagon. By default, the number of instances is set to 8, which will give us a total of 8 blades. We can change it by typing a desired number into the number of instances window from the tab toolbar. Let's create 6 blades. Adjust the radius if needed. To adjust the shutter's opening, first switch to the selection tool and then double-click on one of the lines to isolate it. Now rotate it left or right. Let's exit the isolation mode. Select everything and align it to the center of the artboard. Next, go to Object and choose Expand. Go to Object one more time and choose Expand again. Now open the Pathfinder panel and choose Unite. Be sure the fill is on top and then switch to the Ellipse Tool. Click in the center and draw a big circle. Be sure the lines extend beyond the circle's boundary. Next, select everything, go to Pathfinder and choose Minus Back. Finally, switch to the Direct Selection tool. Click away to deselect, select the center shape and delete it. The process to create curved blades is very similar. First, select the arc tool and create a small arc. Increase its stroke weight. Go to Object, Repeat and choose Radial. Change the number of instances to 6, decrease the radius, double-click on one of the arcs and rotate it to adjust the shutter's opening. Adjust the radius a little bit more so all the lines are aligned. Now align everything to the center of the artboard. Adjust the gap between the blades, then go to Object, choose Expand, repeat this function one more time, go to Pathfinder, choose Unite, switch to the Ellipse tool, draw a big circle in the center, choose Minus Back from the Pathfinder panel, and finally delete the center part. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.